Where Pokey there? What do the Pokey? Where that pretty girl there?
What are doing that again?
Oh, dear. A Pokey too.
Alright, you sit alright?
Yes.
Water.
I want to drink me, yes.
Alright, John there?
Only start so to take your time. Make them start with themselves.
Yes.
This is going to be a road trip to remember. Let's pray before we leave. Almighty creation blesses us. Alright.
What are you praying now?
Put on me clothes, lie down back in the bed.
Hold on, we not gonna episode that. Somebody pray.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Somebody please pray.
Father in a righteous face. Father God, as we go before the Lord, we ask for the guidance and protection, Jesus. Father God, you know everyone by their name, by their name. But Lord, remember we as we go forward. So, like that. Amen.
Welcome to. We can't put out the music right now, Alright. Welcome to the. What the name of the adventure, the road trip? What the name? Jamaica Good Life road trip. 1, right?
Yeah.
Season 1.
What is your foot?
Whoa, the pork and the. A pork in it, pork?
Pork and chicken in there.
Pork and chicken there, my foot. Yes. This is the good life. How you feel, Pokey?
I'm okay.
You alright? Kinda too early for you?
Me?
Yeah.
What you going last night?
2 o'clock. I'm not sleep.
Oh, you look kinda nervous?
No, man.
So short, late.
No, it's a road late.
Mm.
During the rain, media road. Something goes slow and
Be positive as our neighbors. Remember, rule number 1 for the road trip, no cursing. Alright? Because if you record me, I've got to edit it out. Okay, Pokey? Pokey don't know if she can make it. Navigator Nick, NN, you know where to tell them to go?
We no direction to which I'm on the bill. You understand?
Hey, Soji, what you say? Him say there's a broken bridge somewhere?
My Soji boy, Soji boy.
Bridge, you know what? Double line.
Soji sitting there. Very loud. Online account sitting this, I can't grow on a back.
No.
Well, let me get it.
Wonderful.
Let me get it.
I open a drink now. I open a drink now.
Only two small money when I put down one put use to somebody.
You want to put some of my butter?
Yeah man, right there gas pedal.
Yeah. Make sure you put the pan down.
Alright, Pokey. We don't have the rum in the car, right?
Yeah man.
We don't have the cup?
Yeah man, cup in there, camera.
Now, Pokey was drunk out, you know.
You can't jump out in a soldier. You stop for man, you know. You soldier. You don't stop for man, say the man won't come out, jump out. Tell them, you tell them about it, Nick.
We don't have to give Pokey some rum now. A cup of tea? No, them already planned them stop already. Bus stop, 1 stop driver, we get some tea. So when is the last time when I left the grill?
Try your top. I make up your room about 6 bikes on my
We're not 4 feet if you feed bike on it. Them can't drink rum and ride at the same time.
Then do you man?
Them drink rum and ride.
Then do you man?
You're a gangster in a pokey. The more I get to know you, the more I realize he's a gangster. You ever rob no bank yet? How much gun you have in your life? You know for fire a gun? You know for fire a gun?
No, master.
Your man never teach you for fire a gun yet? What kind of man them you there with? You know how to protect your pokey if your man now. I know man want your pork, you know, you have to protect your pork. Okay. Hey, so you think about the design yet for the thing?
Oh, yes. I'll buy some.
Yeah, man. Next time we go, hopefully season 2 we'll have a nice I saw him blow everybody pass. Yeah. Hey, the tire them screw on good?
We don't know.
The way this a carry on moving and them tire better screw on. To right.
So we can't get no pilot.
Because the plane feel like it's screw on, the wing them screw on. Manchester, here we come. You better put a seatbelt on the face.
Hey, yo, the artist is right now. I need to get in now. Artist is
Why only this late for the airport?
No. Just I got to turn to the and blow the car on its one.
You blow it out?
What? 170.
Yeah, man.
Why? Why was that necessary? You just want to show off panic?
No, I just want to show on that car and that car.
First you ever do that?
Yeah.
First you ever do that?
First 170. Ask Nick in the class, ask him.
170?
170 on the clock.
What Nick late?
No. Never late.
Really late.
But just tell me say the man so hard make how much money toll you want. Every driver prove himself on the toll, you know.
Yeah, man. You see you fly road all late this year. God, like breeze.
Every driver prove himself on the toll.
Lucky the real left tire and good.
I want to run.
170 on the clock, so 170 until one go home.
So Pookie, when we come back, we're going to your house to have a big barbecue cookout. What we are going to do? Hanover, River. What we are going to do? See me, a river, I have to go jump in the water above my head. In a port, like I above my head when I little. Now I have revenge on the river now. Me turn big man. You ever jump in a river water, think it deep and not boom!
Yeah. You know, go down, you clap up your neck too.
Yeah, man. Soldier don't know them things, you know. Soldier don't know about them country life, man. Soldier never go river yet, you know.
You walk, then you shoot. You don't jump, then you shoot. You know, I never said, you know.
Yeah.
No way, no. Jump up in the morning, you know, they go cool there when they have fire party. Jump up at night. Now, very deep. Then, simple. Big car park.
So, you don't ever swim in a dirty water, yeah? You know the brown water?
Brown water, so I don't go out and swim, but I can't see that.
Send catch you to swim in a brown water, man.
No, I go.
I saw it on all the way.
When river come down, you never hear about river come down here.
Yeah.
So what you don't know about them things?
That is so good. Alright.
Jamaica Good Life Season 1. Lord God, right out the whole Jamaica Pokey ready for your vacation. From nation to nation. Well, you know, it's an honor to be among some real people. Except for Soji with the dirty bag of weed.
Well, Soji, what kind of weed that you get? You sit up on the weed on the thing. Alright. You sit up on the right now, you know.
Where you put it?
You sit up on it.
Oh, you put it on the
You sit up on it. You sit up on it.
Oh,
man.
give it. Take it out. Take it out from the front.
You can't take it out.
Make this Soji out first. Take it out, Soji. The one where you sit on for.
That one, I the one when they give with it.
That's what I want to say. I want to see if nothing there. You there for underneath you?
You can't get them. I'm low, can't see it.
Lord, you can't see it.
I'm low, can't see it. Check it out. That man, too much seed in there, man.
Carefully seed and next one.
I go burn weed in the car now. You don't smoke weed, I go burn weed.
God, don't weed smoking. Where that chat us over? You come, I'm going to church, I'm having time to go to church.
I never see so much seed in weed in my life.
How will you get it from?
I don't know where I'm digging it
That's what you give.
Where feed it? Where bag of seed? I can find the weed.
Find the weed itself.
This is the one get on game. A bulky. A bulky might get your seed right. A bulky might get on game.
When you're in Manchester, I'm sure you.
You ever said what?
I will make sure for it in Manchester.
Yeah.
Still funny.
We get on here in bulky.
Okay.
It's a bulky, we don't search it. People like money.
Okay.
Before that.
And there goes the weed connoisseur.
Give me money.
I'm mad at you, mad me. So you have something against me. Why the man want mad me?
Non-farmer is a foolish man. Non-farmer is a foolish man. I will buy you a black man.
Nick a big time farmer, you know.
You ever say those Soji? Or you to do a plan weed? You ever say Soji? You can man weed any amount of thing you have. You can man out that. Like back pen out that. You look at go back. Alright. Before that you have money. You can't tell me when you see weed, you don't tell me if I go weed or bad weed. Well, if I go to weed, you can see it like same. You want to see them that time.
Weed can look pretty and you know good.
Yeah, you go to one pan come you don't see it as well.
So sentiment is a bit weed.
We'll be the cave weed. Back and find weed.
All
Yeah. Fat. When you say about weed, dolphin head weed, I know. Back and we find cave.
well try.
And then the weed man
Well
go.
try. I look like you're trying to go to and try.
You want to roll on weed in the mouth.
With a life Morris. Morris ganja with a hype and deal with.
You know enough people go watch this not smoke weed. When a bunch of weed head, I don't smoke. Only Pokey and Soji smoke. Me just inhale where them a smoke. Me just inhale where them a smoke.
So the bit them say yesterday,
Oh, my brother.
where the pipe, my brother?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a twin down here and more time I'm going on my weed bag and smoke out my weed there. Look at the beautiful Jamaica. So you're hungry, Pokey?
Yeah, it's something.
What's your name? Katana. What's your name? She mad. She mad, says she not come.
No,
least see you not sleep.
If you're tired, I'll give you a try.
It's so big, so you got done for you, daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend for how long?
Yeah, man.
That's money.
Depends on how you drop your knife.
That's man what happen. That's man what happen.
Depends on how you drop your knife, yeah? If the edge you must tire.
You know, say me, I want to go try rap.
Randy.
Yeah.
You know, ask the man.
Oh,
why?
wanna make jam and jelly run this up?
You know, this is going to
Oh, go and run this. You see them man for run this and
We know they will do it, man.
Dirty people let me talk me jam.
Dirty people there,
Them
man.
bring knife with the jam and jelly.
Here's peanut.
Oh Lord, it's like a
love of Jamaica.
It's just like a airport, you know, peanut the boy give me. A airplane me there right now. And them have jam and jelly back there. Them man give me peanut. I'm not talking about jelly.
What's a black man down there?
Full you want one peanut?
So do you want a peanut, yes or no?
You want a peanut?
You know, one such a
Drink rap now.
I'm going to save one nut for you, one peanut. Half a peanut. Hey, so we can plant some of the seeds when we reach Manchester. So
I'm planning to see you, daddy.
and then we will go visit the tree next year.
Yeah, but mine is seed planting I talk about, don't you?
You ever do it?
Yeah?
Mine is seed planting I talk about.
No, we keep doing that plan, see you now.
Watch out! We have a patrol for headlamp.
And a patrol lamp.
You want glass of food that you want.
And a patrol at and a patrol at the
You want that juice?
Yeah, jam country, you know. So next step better.
What do you say? What do you
No, I'm no friend for this still now.
Slow down.
I'm no friend for this still.
The soldier navigate that. Soldier.
Then they go up and they say, copy you. Must pay what and the
Navigator, look on the GPS, see if I'm going the right way.
I'm going right way. Because you know, we just have it.
Okay. If you watch him, you know, because I'm a driver, go, I'm sister, girlfriend, yeah. The same boy I will rob you, you know. Dirty people, there, you know.
Dirty people there,
Yeah,
man.
pushes.
Dirty people there, man.
Go for money.
And next thing 6 man pull it over.
Dirty people
I'll run
there,
the car.
man.
And take the jerk pork and the jerk chicken.
I'll rob it.
I say, when they weed there, you say, I have my.
So you run the valley weed, man.
Him weed up, him seed weed, I talk about good weed. But I'm gonna make him smell my weed, just me pass it through him nose, me not even make him touch it.
Insecticide.
That's why we
Insecticide.
just grow and cut it.
Insecticide.
So you need to smell food in hard. That's your brain. I eat some grape nut ice cream right now. At least him see the big patrol.
Big guy better, you know.
Look at one talk.
Big guy better, you know.
Look at one talk.
Understand? The big guy better.
I will have paid them there though for you to go down.
Yeah?
Batman!
So you know about the road here? The one here go south? Well, don't come the other road over it go. Never so bad.
Which other road?
Over it go south.
I want to take gas and box.
The one here?
That's the one here.
How come you never saw?
You never see well, man. You like you asleep.
You never there, man.
Come!
Is that indica? Yo, I said,
Only a wawa.
Only
Only a wawa.
Oh, no taxi where you see in a park. Back that side you come from. Jamaica ain't coming. I could have forced the kitchen.
So is somebody died?
Wawa too greedy, man.
So I'm to
They kill him, fat.
Me know. Wawa just come from America.
How Wawa died? How he died?
Farmer, blood mix supposed in the hand.
Him did eat your pork?
He not eat pork. He eat it, but he not eat it.
Whoa.
Me cock.
But the body knows, so you have to take care. Yeah, what happened? Wawa go America,
Pressure,
Wawa
pressure,
4
pressure.
car on the road. 4 car on the road. A regular.
Move the car. Move the car.
Yes.
You feel the water? Move the car. Faster.
No.
No, you better ain't go through it slow enough.
Go now, move for.
You can't slow it up. You never pick up half a girl.
But that's supposed to be seen.
When you got your water,
No,
so you got your water, one steady rim. Yeah? One steady rim got your water. Don't rip and ease up.
Steady.
Yes, steady, right.
Like I
You
don't
don't
suck
press
the
and
teeth.
thank you. You don't
I
press
know
and
if
ease
I
up.
train.
Like to push out.
Alright, just switch back the bike walk across so you do so. Be a woman.
Oh, the road come by.
Oh yes, me feel it.
Whoa, we are drawn before we reach Manchester. Dear Lord Jesus, save me right now. We saved! Revit rotted! Lord, help us, Lord, praise the Lord. Somebody say hallelujah.
No, first one to the center.
Hallelujah. Give me high five if we never did prayer. If we never did prayer.
My brother, do man.
Man, let me see. Whoa, me feel the water now. You know me bag? No.
Want to come here?
Yeah, man, it's a go leak out.
Enough water, no man, enough water. Enough for your jeep. No, after your jeep. After your jeep.
Who would ever know that the water almost cover up the chicken?
The water high, man.
A four-wheel driver forget.
Yeah.
Alright.
More water down there so
Where is that?
It's a run up back, man.
Oh, you feel the water? I feel it.
There's some police out there.
You feel it now?
Matthew, we don't care about that.
One down in there. Good life, Jamaica.
You see what kind of? I'm in the end of my way.
Wait, you dream to the water?
As me lock me, I see water. I see 2 fall, like big, you doing.
Are the chicken on the floor, yeah, sir? Are the chicken on the floor, yeah, sir?
Right, as me lock me eye.
You see the water?
Remember me tell her.
Me couldn't sleep, me did drown. Well, we have to get a nice SUV, you're right.
Can't believe.
Season, everybody watching this film, make sure
Then the pastor don't go to us coming at town.
make sure to donate for the SUV. Oh, it is right. You know, can I run them in Jamaica? Go on, wait. No man, we believe in the driver.
I want to come back. I want to come back.
No, man, lock it up. Right now, we can't get too long, man.
listen to me. Water almost touch it now. The back protect it, you know. The back soak in the water. It's in one back. It's in one back. Chicken good man. The chicken swimming at the pan. A good thing you put it.
No, take up the other one.
You don't know what?
No, it's good.
No, man, of course it's not water right there, so believe you me. Of course.
So there's no way to escape that. Fear for anything in this life. Well, give thanks for the driver name. Trust.
The supervisor boy pass it. Yeah.
Out of gas station. You see what the whole over gas station is the one was over bush. You see water out this long water, the long.
You mean it's it's coming up? It's coming up?
No, man, that's something short about this.
Okay. Well, we are blessed. If I never fed the prayer this morning, who would have drowned?
You go on a journey for prayer.
Eh?
You go on a journey for prayer.
You have to pray, especially in Soji there, you have to pray. Who that? Oh, man.
We know what I'm fixing them, we have to tell me no. We know that. If it is some birthday, I'm probably prayer. What are you not sharing? What does it mean, Nick?
Fred and Flamstone thing. I'm Fred and Flamstone. But it's good enough, all the dirty foot didn't need washing anyway. Me didn't smell somebody's foot. No, me not smell nobody's foot.
Let's smell the foot again.
The water go wash somebody's foot. Yeah, man, I washing the foot, didn't want foot. The Lord didn't know, say a foot washing no want. Send the water there, Lord, for wash them dirty foot. Yes, we'll just get baptized. Driver, where you say about?
Oh, I'm here to take time up on the road there now.
Up on the road?
Yeah.
How would you have some chicken?
Huh?
You have some chicken in the back away, you know? Some chicken in the back away?
Some chicken in the back away?
Chicken in the back away.
Oh.
One in the make look like best dressed chicken.
The one that make like pork. One that make like pork and one CB and one best dress.
Say hello to the crew. Pokey, what you say? Say good morning to the world, Pokey. What do you have to say to the world?
Jamaica.
Nick, say good morning. Tell us the history about the name. Who gave such a vicious name?
Oh, my customers.
So one day one customer come and buy them finger and just say, Pokey! How did it happen?
Everybody call me Pokey. All of them places on two sides of the road when I'm embarrassed.
Soldier, how did you get the name Soji?
What's up?
How did you get the name Soji?
I
Just the people don't call me so the building call me, we wear camouflage every day.
They say we camouflage every day. So then this give you your soldier. I mean, I said that they not been doing
So Nicholas,
Yeah, man.
what about you should the people know? What's special about you?
What's special about me?
Yeah.
Very ambitious.
Very talented.
Very talented.
Have you won any awards in your life throughout your life?
Awards?
Yes.
Nah.
Have you accomplished anything that any other human have yet to accomplish?
Nah.
So you're average then.
Yeah, I'm pretty average. Like everybody else.
Here in the lava, you know, you answer question and then you turn on the lava. All this.
Tell me what I hear. That's what you do. Tell them what they want to hear. Because he's asking the question like it's actually
Yeah, but you are done it,
a rhetorical question. You tell him.
Thirsty. Yeah, but you are done everything there. Put the Lord in.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In your life, what do you say carry you through the hard times?
For the Jesus. Uncle Jesus, salute.
Somebody say amen to that. Soldier, what carry you through?
Faith of God, man.
The faith of God. The faith of God.
Faith of God.
Trust
Look
it.
in our sense though.
What bring you through life?
Well, you see, in life, you know, in life, I put
In life,
everything.
if Nick shut up, that bring you through?
Okay, in life, I put everything in the hands of the Father, you know?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Which father?
so once you put it in the hands of the Father, then he will guide you, he will tell you the truth.
Let me tell you which father.
You see, if Nick shut up, him left you, you know.
If Nick shut up, I think he'll be better off, you know, because that guy chat a little bit too much.
But think said Soldier was the big chatter. But the question for you then is, if your foot dirty, do you blame the father or your nasty self?
No, you blame yourself because you don't wash your foot.
Okay.
You can't blame your father for your
Some
foot.
people also blame father for dirty foot. You
No,
know?
man, that nasty, they're nasty, man. They didn't wash their dirty foot, man.
Some people say them not have no gas at them yard for cook no food for them friend and blame God feed. Them they in the back of the
So
car.
I got to buy gas to them.
See, this is Soldier there, him not cook no food for we.
So I got to buy food, the gas to them.
I talk about say God never work it out. And I aim for work it out.
I ain't for work on that himself.
Soldier, you did not be cook food for we. And you know one thing Nick did that was a sin. Him never report for me sip. I don't know if him drink no night.
Oh, yeah.
Jealousy running the boy.
Yeah. Jealousy I kill the boy.
You see?
I know, you know, one just say sick, but you
You
know.
have an idea.
How come you never...
You go to bed, go sleep. So you don't have nothing to say.
No, Nick, the thing is, you did not comment on it. That's what I said to you.
Yes.
Never, comment.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Whether you drink it or not, what is the report? You're the chef.
Only thing for me has been a young person who loves salt. I just the salt. But the alright, the flavor, the taste, everything is good. The coconut, I couldn't taste it.
I just salt to the man.
I just salt me want.
Right.
I'm choose to get the salt because me not go like
You put pork in there for me.
put pork in a fear if you can have the salt.
That is that thing we need to go church, go pray for.
Salt.
No, I don't want to put pork in it.
Can't put pork in a Rasta food. That is abomination.
No man.
Yeah, what did you do? Not too terrible.
A Sunday, you know, we can go straight to church looking so, you know, if we go in a church in Manchester, then kick we out. How would them? We go straight to church.
It's not food, it's not people that do that, you know.
I'm frightened if you see them take me.
You go to church anyhow, not where you have on.
Come as I am. Not
Yeah.
as a banana, not as a...
The Bible says, rend your heart and not your garments.
But we have to be careful now, because soldiers you smoke with now people in church. You know.
We don't good like that.
My church is sacrificing. Incense.
Look at him feet. Never take a look
You look
at
like
him
a
face.
crook.
And they had... Look at him feet. If you say when if you ever shake the eye that you man, we juke him in the head. You know, if sleep. As long as it's early,
Oh,
man.
no, the man, the bleach whole night.
As
You know
long
what
as
last
it's
night,
journey.
babe?
Eh?
You know what last night?
Eh?
You see, as long as it's journey be, man. Enough to sleep. Oh. Nobody know it.
You plug it out?
And you plug out there, you pull out there.
You have to be careful what you're doing, right?
You know, sir, Nick,
You have to look and focus.
Python is a reporter, you know. You say if you do something, he explain, so you do it.
You have to be careful.
Python, we never fix something and not tell you about it, you know. You said I wrote over there, sir. You said I wrote.
The ground about you, make me buy me cheese, sir.
Python, we say, you know. You said I wrote over there, sir. I may kill it, you know.
That's right.
But don't drink tea, yes, sir. Hot tea.
And you're a boom this.
Let me see what I give me shoes, these. Nobody want no tea, yeah, man.
This side, man.
Got on the road. Time about this guy. Boy, Pantan him just come about him in the car, man.
V. Nick. Nick. How much time you call V for?
You don't ask me nothing.
Yo, Bridget,
What you say?
check on the bus man, the road on the train. Bridge train. I don't know why I drive on top.
Which bridge?
Up at Paris.
Bobby?
Ferris.
That drama. That drama.
On the drive, we have broke down. That's why I must stop it. On them week, everybody drive to Peter Street come down.
Yeah, listen to the navigator. So why you never want no tea?
Change your mind.
Change my mind, sir.
So, okay, what do you expect to see in Manchester?
Manchester cool.
Then if we get a SUV, how fun like that to forget? If we get a SUV,
I know, sir.
garage.
You see what you're going to that one? The one like that? The one not pushing that one, yeah?
It's a lot
Shut
stuff in
down.
that one. It's a shut down.
Yeah.
Why is that?
And you're clean at the lower.
Like that one, so.
What up, sir?
What up, sir?
What up, sir? You say, boy, I'm ready, right?
So where is this now?
Cemetery.
Yeah, let me see what. I'm going to
Cemetery.
Cement field.
And I don't water.
We used to have rum and true juice to take off the edge. So what the biggest river in Jamaica?
Spanish, no Spanish, no Maple. No man, me now.
Hear me now? Hear me now?
Yes,
No, right off Grand
Bring
View or
on,
something.
bring on laptop.
of course.
What is Jamaican national dish? What is the national wood? Tree. Okay, and the national bird? Nick don't know them things yet. Nick don't know them things yet, right? Say no, where's it?
God, them know me, know it, the one. With the power level.
So, what you like about Jamaica the most, Pokey? Why is Jamaica Good Life important to the people of abroad?
Good life at Jamaica and the government system.
You said there's no good life? Then the boy promote good life.
You have to do your good life yourself.
Okay.
Exactly.
Of course.
Straight up.
I like that.
Anyway at all you live, you have to make your life nicer.
Yeah, man.
As long as you're comfortable and you're not wet.
What do you mean you're not wet?
No rain now wet your bed. No good.
Okay. Rain used to come to your zinc pan? Your zinc roof top when you're little?
So you look like that gas station in the you look like a gas station. Because the same tank when they have done a good one there.
Okay, at what point in your life you felt like you were hungry at one point? And what did you eat when you was hungry?
You drink rum and bun weed and you want to gone. Yes, sir.
Someone drink rum and drink and smoke weed and don't eat that. And we will feel more.
What the car name? The car name Betsy.
Betsy, yeah. It's a Camry, but you call it Betsy.
So now, did you get any sleep?
Yeah,
How much sleep you get?
probably around 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
We call him. How much I call him?
After 4.
6 past 4. Tell us we don't pay. Don't pay that go like that.
You're being out of asleep, man. That's that picture. You're asleep, man.
I just knock me door so me early.
Hey. Look what time you call the phone.
No.
You ain't get one? You ain't get one?
Okay. Me out there so me get there. Me move the gate and... No, man. You want to go me? You want to for me your spent up. Yeah, spent up. Me gate.
When we cut around there, watch him now. We looking good? Don't make him veer off course, you know. Robber, a dirty thief. You know
That bridge
some...
you're talking about? You see, it's a broke. You know, it's broke. You don't have black road to fix that.
And this is a soldier now, man.
You would not feel like to fix that in a soldier. You would not feel like to fix that. And then it half and half.
You mean this is where soldier ring alarm about over there, sir?
Actually, a cost, you know.
But it not get hurt, man.
Send me in a car.
But it not get hurt, man.
Why them call him soldier? Why them call
My
him
lord, the body
soldier?
not get hurt, my lord.
They must call him Moji.
Listen to God. No, but we are saying nothing there's something called that going road block. Yeah, we know all of that. I know something. No, when you tell me, I bridge I attack, you know. We take side this bridge I attack. I'm on the court now, man.
Somebody has sample, man. But I'm going to give him a smoke break, you know. You have to really give him a smoke break. Give him a cigarette break. Alright, man. Give me peanut on that bag. Yeah, give me peanut.
On the mind back, but never back there.
Okay, take care of your people and back there, sir. Take care of your
hold back over 9 foot.
Two back on there. I want to get an 3/4 back white.
Oh my God.
JB, you have to be drinking as well.
Yes, I JB, me like.
You think why don't know?
White chow,
You
Show off. You know show off.
drinking, but I white
Rodney, you
Yeah.
know show off.
Virgin, now what's man?
You man show off your
Why
face.
drum back a rub up my face?
So why you never buy a JB and bring it back?
Show me by the way.
Sell everywhere. JB sell every bar.
Why you never buy
But
one?
not in Kingston.
Or the Lord never take care of it?
The Lord never give no money. Training man, put a nigga man.
Hey, when I give props to the jet plane car and that car rough.
Ah, big it up. You go one big send that car, big. Real right to my pull up like that.
You go Jamaica peaceful. You see nobody kill yet since we ride that road there?
No,
Nobody not get shot yet.
no.
You know people are firing things that people are run down people and just shoot people every day. Then me one day me talk to Rasta about the matter. We say one day the whole country dead. More than the newspaper dead abroad. Them say, boy, Jamaica rough. I want them hear on the paper dead now. If them hear one foreigner come get killed or so, nobody now come back. You see?
That's one time I find a class myself for that, you know.
How was that?
Them get themselves in the wrong position.
Yeah, can't get everybody.
Power with the wrong stop people.
Other man keeping down with him.
Yeah. You understand? As a tourist, and anybody roll with as a
Like a
tourist.
foreign, them school face are foreign. So smile around. When they come and see smile, please everything good. Yeah? Come in, I'll get a bomb.
So what's your advice for foreigner pokey when them come through?
Oh my God. Let me say,
But we come in a pokey here and find pokey.
find me down by Burger King, right there in the selling chicken.
Advisor.
Yeah, pokey say, when I don't come, just come buy my food. I don't care how to do. Make sure you just touch base with me first. Spend the money and go.
Yeah, regular that
Can't
time.
I hold me already, you know.
Eh, can I?
See, they know
Come
what
on,
to
then
do
I'm
why
going
that.
I'm reaching that corner. I say, no, man.
See, they
Put
know
on
what
the
to do
night,
why
put on
that.
the come out.
Like, they don't care go further.
Like deep, you know.
Nick, what you say about the foreigner there? Oh, you,
Yeah, the road, yeah.
what you advise foreigner when them come to Jamaica? How to protect themselves?
Just be cautious of everything you do. Anyway, there's violence. Everywhere. The idea you can't be too judgmental. Just have an open mind. And just live. Just take care of yourself. You don't take care of yourself for how long you can
Yeah,
take care of
just
yourself.
live
all
at
place.
Jamaica, so believe make others live.
Oh, Nick is talking, Soji.
Yeah, man, you know no manners. See, man, no respect for nobody.
If you alone live, a judgment. You alone
As
can't
I
live.
was saying, just take care of yourself, that's all. Be cautious, you know, you have sense. Don't say no go certain place like that, you want.
Soji, what do you say to the people
Big
there?
man, don't take the camera from me.
Okay,
We
my
not
bad.
finish.
Okay, go, keep talking.
Come around me.
You can't go to Soji now. Soji is next with the weather.
Soji, in the weather, what you say now, how the foreigner them should handle themselves? Give them the advice and protection.
It's alright, man. When I come out here, they get advice already. They're good. Tourists are intelligent person. Tourists are idiot. Because them see smile on people's face and peace.
Yeah, some people will be misled. See, I want you to tell us. Tell us what they can do for
You know
precaution.
yourself, because you live a nigga. You know yourself.
You see,
You don't have to tell us.
a rockstone, eh?
Rockstone was my
You put them
pillow.
and roll up by
That's the
here.
one that just come down.
Probably come up on
That
this.
never.
Come from long time, man.
A good thing with the train, a good thing with the late with the back them.
Just imagine that dropping on his side of his car.
Don't say stuff like that. Do
All
not.
inside the whole long stone.
Do
Every
not
rain
say
all
stuff like
countryside,
that.
a landscape.
See?
That's why you
Come
must.
on.
That's
That is good.
why.
Alright.
That's why you must drive over there. So.
That is
Alright.
good.
We don't want to see stone and roll down, going to Blackbridge way. Yeah.
I don't know this one either. You go on motor.
Now man, Blackbridge run and Blackbridge 2 o'clock and nothing around the man.
Where are him to get soft? I just start broke off.
I go on place in a motor.
Rockstone was my pillow.
Never ever say John saw the school. Oh, John saw the school rolling. Maybe you can make nobody will fuck me up.
See the deacon.
See how one
The
is.
deacon did 2 hours of sleep. The man of energy.
You know, the thing is, you know, I can't understand how the deacon asks where deacon there. That is a deacon in church, you know.
A deacon in the church.
Evangelist.
Alright, yeah, now hire deacon evangelist.
That's deacon.
Where I said to me. So I'm trying to tell it, Baba to cook some food for now. What do you want to eat?
My fresh food, tell Baba no cooking.
Eh?
My fresh food, tell him
No,
no cooking.
man, them cook salad till I'm dead.
Oh.
If I say I dead or no I'm dead, we make it up.
No, just normal cooking, just salt food either.
Give me
Normal cooking.
Give me the phone, I go wake up, Baba. What's the ETA GPS, navigator? 52 minutes we are on already. Last get an hour and 30 minutes we have left. What you saying to me? I can't believe it. Rockstone was my pillow. What you say? How much time we have left? You did put direction. You don't make the GPS at all.
You there, Panama? You know what it is?
It will tell me the time. Hit navigate. Make us see how far we reach.
What is the time now, right?
Yeah, man. Hey, the GPS here.
Now, when they say 2 hours, it all depends on how the person is driving. Don't forget that.
No, man. The GPS here, where you can go.
B. 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 You know by respect to that other so? They will sell you for they will sell you one pick for $10,000, man.
Yeah, man. Next time I come, I definitely get a car.
Yeah. Bluefields beat down there, so.
So, for now, you come with the guest them.
So one vehicle can be that type of fit, you know? One vehicle can fit 6 or 7.
Wish can 6, 7.
So coward, man. Stone and stone. Man. Look on Google navigation. 1 hour and 24 minutes to GPS say. Look at that. 1 hour and 24 minutes, you know?
Reach a man away.
Reach right up there if you follow my GPS. And man, the way I go look like this, I cut you, you know. I tell you, you know. Based on the navigation software. I call Baba right now. 101 feet.
Where you can afford. Where you can afford. Where you can afford.
I'm going to make Baba light the fire now, no. I want to set it up nice.
I say where you can afford.
Eh?
Where you can afford.
When can afford?
Yeah.
No man, we have some money down there, so I tell them to buy
No, so where you can afford.
Me tell them to buy a goat phone now. If
Anything you want to do.
no, whoa, easy man. 1 hour, go back and work. Well, yeah, go back out right now. At 2 hours, I forget to go back. Easy jet plane.
Boy, but it was on late. But on late, man.
I go call Baba. And I say, well, hello to Baba. King Baba. Get it.
So what do for your shot, sir?
I want to sweat soup in there, man. I like a hoodie. But when I go, Rockstone is my pillow. Jamaica's a beautiful. Hello? Hello? What going, Baba? What you say? He said we're coming in 1 hour and 30 minutes estimate, but we know say a little later, you see me? He said we estimated to arrive hour 30 minutes, but it could be later. Yeah man. Yeah man, 5 o'clock we'll leave out. Wait, you have wait for my car? Yeah man, you should call me man. Son, tell us me I come. Then you know my number man. So, you get the thing up for me? I make a move now, I'll come through, you know. I dip on the jet. Alright? Take care of what, but... Eh? Alright, cool. Make a move quick. Alright. Rockstone was my pillow.
When you say yam,
I'm gonna go to the bush go get some things for me.
oh my God.
You know, say, oh no. I'm not gonna lie. It's a nice drive, you know. I don't know if Nick can drive it back though. You think Nick can drive it back?
I know.
Is Nick a good driver?
Yeah, you can't get yourself.
Drive back. You can drive slowly. I'll be a driver around here. Anytime you're tired, just start your man. I mean, you want to drive Pepsi.
I want Pepsi gold, but I want to drive Pepsi.
What Nick I do? Wait up to me. Can't make when Nick quiet, we don't like it, you know.
They got the next
Put that
time.
right now in the combination.
This is a chef who don't like cooking, you know. This is a chef that don't like cooking, you know. You think we should break up the chicken now? We should. You want tea?
You don't have to see what about
Sorry, it's
I
alright.
want somebody again. I want me again.
Sorry, it's alright.
You can baby with my breast. Buy no big man.
Nick, wanna call you baby.
Bro, what? We don't drink rum like you, man. You're mad. So if me and you drink, you
Don't
won't
leave
give
the
me
kid in
that.
your yard, man. Leave the kid in your yard.
Hey, well, the steering, I mean, like, oh yeah, it was one
You
steer.
can't tell me no, man. You can't tell me if you drink, yes, I know.
That jet plane, you're wicked, you see me. Go on, let's sit. Look on the beautiful Jamaica where I come like Fern Gully. Yes. Good. The truck say, I wanna come through. This Python can show up.
I'm ready to find legs again. Only 80 if you want.
Whoa, easy, bro. Just open the window, we're good to go.
You can't follow, you can't
easy, bro. We have things under the car can let in the air. You know, you're a negative guy, man.
Oh, God.
First it was the bridge.
Big stuff.
I will put them across the water, okay, on the way back.
Well, you see, the thing is, if I come out now and it's full of water, so we'll go through the left and also. That's all.
You know, I'm firing the GPS with the one, you know, you saw Jamaica, no one.
People live pressing.
It's not that far.
Them the people that come out Christmas time.
My road, you're good.
You know right thing?
Yeah.
There are enough people in Jamaica they don't come out at Christmas time.
What do you mean? Them are the bush?
They don't left them village. They don't go nowhere.
What I said to me?
Yeah. Boy, Pepsi get road.
Let's get road. Vroom!
Pepsi get here fast.
Okay. South Coast Jamaica. Yeah. Crocodile over there? So you've been there? You work there? So how far them not put you too far from your yard to work? What Nika do? Yes, the road is. Good morning, Jamaica. We're driving nicely. The time is now 6:35 a.m. We left about 5:30 a.m. Am I correct? And we're driving nicely. The car is named Betsy. Nick is in the back, Soji. And our pilot, Python, also known as Rusty. This is Jamaica Good Life. Now, as you can see here, some of the roads are bad, some are good. We encountered some water earlier, but we went through it nicely. As you can see, there's no crime so far. And there's Smokey in the back.
No.
International lady right there. One of the most hardest working Jamaican women in the world. I love Smokey from...
Come see blank on the paper, come see now work.
Hey, me nah forget to know where I'm going on. Nah, left one, you know.
Yeah, that's it.
Brother, we are Manchester, coming down. You know, come down till 1 o'clock.
Feed the animal them.
When we ask Wallace, he show me what me I work. He said, me I work living in and which is part of the next part of the black.
That we just saw was a dead dog beside the road. Now we're going through some shops here. Where do we call this now, Python?
White House.
Huh?
White House.
So we're in White House right now. We're pulling over right now for some tea.
No, come down till later. No, come later.
There's Soji, acting like he knows where he's going.
true work, you hear that one?
What him say?
The true work.
Him did for work today?
That's a one.
This morning?
And that's a one.
You know, you say they're going.
What I said to me? Well, I to tight, you know. Yeah, man, your highlights.
Me down the grill and put on the clothes. They're going to know where they active have me. They don't know what's here. I'm going to dress up in my hand.
Your highlights, you know.
But when me, they go, me put myself together.
Your
I
highlights.
put myself together, brother.
Your highlights, you know.
Chuck that run good still, you know. You know me?
Hmm?
You know, chuck that run good one.
Mm-hmm. Something I want to shop and run it 24 hours. But you can't do it in here anyway. But they're so good.
First, we had this work. You put the lotion from man, I'm telling you, man. What to come in the car now? You put the damn lotion. We do not need lotion. We need lotion. Well, lotion is bad. You want lotion?